practice. Remember say I don't know how to stop rich. Yeah, me no stop switch, yeah, me no stop trick. Matter box, yeah, me full of key like locksmith. Matter girl, yeah, me get my bars and me cock lick. Big up me city. Rich like man, bag of horse, fucking bullshit. Pistol point, outside, nothing move me. Chris White Knight, blood it up, don't be moving. From shut and go, look and bag and move it. Gone at the pan line, stupid. Gone, paratata.
Is there? Yo, world boss, which pussy don't want to see you now your new crown, them no plane and no fly up, them get shoot down in a boot for 1,000 and few pounds stepping on your face, skilly call that a
Skillibeng, Vybz Kartel send for you, for war Alkaline. You get the call, Skillibeng, will you take it? Skillibeng, you sure? Are you sure, Skillibeng?
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Inside with Nande. You know it's about Nande and I building with another episode and another vlog for you, the viewers and the subscribers. So we'll see where the space of dancehall has had a shockwave for the past few days, like 3 to 4 days now, when Alkaline releases his new single called Keyman. And we'll see the shockwave and we'll see the whole heap of commotion we're going in the dancehall space, both on the media and in the space of the culture of Jamaican dancehall. So what me I say is, bro, we see the artists them look like them are, I don't know what them are do, but we see the artists them are preview music in the media space, and a lot of people are speculating that it look like the artists them ready for push up them head, or look like the artists them are gonna drop some song for either Shade Alkaline or this Alkaline, whichever it may be. But this is what me I gonna say, bro. Uno, don't get tricked by all of these things we are going on the media, because it is just a strategy also. And remember, these artists we see in the media where circulate with videos or post up about song preview, don't be fooled. These artists are not fooled themselves. They know that Alkaline sets a strategy, he sets a bait out in the media space, because the song that Alkaline sang, Keyman, it's a big statement in dancehall, and it is speaking to everyone and everybody who is opposition to Alkaline. It is speaking to them also, which is why you see like artists like Tentic can run out, but we not get to that yet. But what me I say is, bro, you see this art of war study, we have to understand that the artists them know what them do. You see Vybz Kartel preview a new song, and he mentioned some line in his song pertaining to Keyman, saying that he has a whole lot of key like him at the locksmith, and he knows that people will run with that line or don't run with that clipping of him mentioning Key, because you know Keyman got together with Keyman, you know Alkaline just drop him song Keyman. So we see where Skillibeng run out, and it sounded like he was doing a verse on the same preview freestyle that Vybz Kartel had preview. So another thing now we saw where Masicka came out. Him look like him that walking at Tivoli Garden, and then you know a preview of a song are playing at the background with him. But we're gonna get into that. But what me I try to say is, bro, you see the art of war and strategical steps that you have to make in a dancehall. Every artist in a dancehall, no, not all of them, but some of them. Most of them artists are know say you have to calculate it with everything what you do. Maybe some of them not up there like a Alkaline per se mysterious with the calculated moves, where it makes some moves without even previewing music. Like Alkaline is one of those artists that doesn't preview music. He drops music suddenly, untimely, and people, it causes a shockwave in the media. So the other artists them a preview songs. So get this, viewers and subscribers, the artists them know what them are do. The strategy where them are pull now is previewing music for make it seem like it's not some sort of music pertaining or throwing shots at Alkaline song. But listen this, viewers and subscribers, it's a strategy that they're using. They all know that these people are going to jump to conclusions saying that Alkaline them are throw shots at. But what I'm saying is that, viewers and subscribers, the artists them know what them do. And me I go read some things. Me I go read some scripts of Art of War, some quotes of Art of War, and I get what me I say. Una go get me. One of the quote them goes like this. One of the best quote goes like this. It says, the supreme art of war is to subdue the enemy without fighting. And this is the strategy we are telling you about, where the artists them are use. The strategy where them are use is that they don't want it to seem like they're going to clash Alkaline, or they don't want it to seem like them are going to run out brawling pan Alkaline, because them know what the public are going to say. Them know the talk what the public are going to make. So one of the other quote is this: know thyself, know thy enemy. 1,000 battle, 1,000 victory. And me are telling the people the strategy where the artists them are used in a dancehall. Remember, you know, the artists them are not fool, you know, viewers and subscribers. The artists them are not fool. And what me are telling you is that the artists them know where them are. And Vybz Kartel are one of them artists there. When know him do, Vybz Kartel a craftsman in a dancehall, as me telling you. One of dancehall's biggest craftsman. And me are gonna play some clippings and we are gonna get to some point, because I don't want to lengthy out the talk it. I want to get to some clippings so you can understand where me are forward from. So one of the last quote me are gonna make is that this quote is pertaining to Alkaline. That quote goes like this: be extremely subtle, even to the point of formlessness. Be extremely mysterious, even to the point of soundlessness. Thereby you can be the director of the opponent's fate, and that Alkaline use in a dancehall. Him be extremely mysterious, soundless and formless. Him not make them predict him every move, which is why I say Alkaline is up there with mysterious over them artists here, because these artists make the public and make the mass know them every calculated move. They preview songs, they make the public say this, say that. Well, it's a strategy also, you know, to make the public run with the preview, you know, so whenever the song drop, the public can run over to the YouTube and go stream it and say, oh, them a look for this line, that the line that we are shoot over Alkaline. That's what I'm saying. Alkaline made a bold statement in Keyman. It makes sure stated that me them Freda. Him use some key terms in a Keyman. Him say in the industry, me are the Keyman. Me them Freda. Can't trick me. Me trick uno can't trick me. Some statements in making of the song. And a lot of people are pointed to everybody. I'm not telling no lie, people. A lot of artists pick up cans, and as me saying in my previous vlogs, the whole of them know who the shots them take to. But watch this. We've seen it before where Vybz Kartel, whenever Alkaline says something or do something within the media, here comes Vybz Kartel running out to latch on to the wave to have people saying, oh, Vybz Kartel respond to Alkaline, Vybz Kartel this. But this is the strategy that Vybz Kartel uses, because him know the media space and the people them are like sheep. So anything he put out the that is why he put out the song preview and make sure that the part where him want to bring across in the media, which way him say him full of key like locksmith, and you know the reference always go connected to the Alkaline song Keyman, and that me a show. As me say, viewers and subscribers, Alkaline smart. Him now go just run out so like him an idiot. You have to understand, you know, the art of war is a strategic thing, you know. You can't just run out to a man, put out a preview, and I mention something like a line like Keyman, and then we see where Skillibeng went out in a video stating that which fascino want to see Adi with him crown and ray that for sure, and say a style and pattern, strategy, and me I go play the clippings them. I want to tell me what you think in the comment section. So let's just jump in one of the first clippings. Watch this.
Camera at. Yo, I know I'm going to show me a record there. Some 9, it was about 13 songs. Right now. And when they say, we're just going to fuck around and forward up with this jacket. Yeah, well, they watch it. Ready? World boss, if a reason put the stop me, say 35 and me give them back that quick. Them for one life I hold them me practice. That me say you watch and work me practice. Never say I don't know how to stop rich. Yeah, me no stop switch, yeah, me no stop trick. But that box, yeah, me full of key like Latching. But that guy, yeah, me take my balls and me Catholic. Because the city girls speaking them.
And that's what I'm saying, bro. The line where he mentioned baga key like locksmith. Him know the media gonna run with it, which is why he put it out. And this is what I'm telling the viewers and subscribers. Strategically, you have to know every step where you make. You can't make the enemy or the ops predict every step. And being that Vybz Kartel know that Alkaline is his only opposition in a dancehall. Remember, I say him and Vybz Kartel in a link. Vybz Kartel link with every other artist. Well, majority of the artists, them like Mavado, Skillibeng, Masicka, Popcorn, all of them. But being that him know say Alkaline are the only person where people have them as apps or rival together, people are always try to compare them or try to put the two of them together as in to make conversation. So what him do? Make sure say him preview a song for the public using the reference of key, mentioning that him full of key like Locksmith. I'm gonna tell you no, bro. Vybz Kartel are one of the biggest craftsmen in a dancehall. You have to understand that. One of the biggest craftsmen in a dancehall. I'm telling you no, bro. You have to know how the strategy work in a dancehall and that type thing, bro. Let me pull up back the sound you can get where I say.
You know what I at?
Yo, I know I'm gonna reach on the yard. I Red Boom there. From 9 was about 13 song.
Right now.
I would there I said, let's have one fuck around. I'm forward up with this job. Yeah, what a little watch on there. Ready. World boss, if a reason put the stop me, flip 25 and me give them back that quick. Them after one day for hold them me practice. Got me say yo watch you over me practice. Never say I did don't know how to stop rich. Y'all me no stop switch, y'all me no stop trip. But that box me full of key like Locksmith. But that girl you get my bars and me cock.
So he's saying that him around the place, Kartel, Skillibeng. So he's saying that a Kartel and Skillibeng alone around the place. No acknowledgement of Masicka. I don't know what is that there. Him not really acknowledge Masicka really at the place or do him thing. I don't know if I something I go on this, but only tell me in a chat, viewers and subscribers. But what I say is that the strategic steps where them artists are make for put out or bring across certain thing in our media. Remember, them can't just run out, because Alkaline songs still make the waves in our media, still have conversation and talk about it. So them can't just run out and make it look like an Alkaline. Them really are aim at or them not aim or them are aim at. So them have to make it a way or put out them preview a way to make it look like say him and also make it look like say him, because speculation is a thing. People are gonna always speculate, and that is the thing, viewers and subscribers. So me I gonna play the clippings with Skillibeng so you can see what me I say, viewers and subscribers. Skillibeng has a preview also, and Jaja, me I tell you viewers and subscribers, the tricks and the trades in a dancehall, somehow don't know. Somehow really just need to watch and study what go on in a dancehall. So Skillibeng has a song, or I guess it's a verse on the song where Kartel has sing. So listen what Skillibeng has to say, viewers and subscribers.
Is there your world boss, which pussy don't want to see you now your new crown, them no plane and no fly up, them get shoot down in a boat 20,000 and few pounds stepping on your face, kill card that a new road, you don't get carried a real life, cruise down, get yourself added panelist on a food store, new clothes, funeral you get, cause you too bold, you chose a destiny, cause you no child, you grown world boss, Mr. Universe, like the blue globe plus the galaxy, them with the globe and a move round. Is there?
And then a lot of people are speculate that Skillibeng take aims or take shots at Alkaline. I don't know what to say, but you guys let me know what you think in the comment section. At person, somebody came out and was saying that Skillibeng, if you really think you can go up against Alkaline, you need to think twice, bro, because Vybz Kartel has set you up for Alkaline, rub you out, and me I go play it. Me I go play one clippings with the brother name J Progress. He named J Progress, and he must say some things.
Skillibeng, Vybz Kartel send for you for war Alkaline. You get the call, Skillibeng, will you take it? Skillibeng, you sure? Are you sure, Skillibeng, that you want to go to war with Alkaline? Skillibeng, are you ready to go to war with Alkaline? Skillibeng is a hit maker, you know. Wap, 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 and the whole of them thing there. We know say you're capable of making war song, you know, Skillibeng. But Alkaline is a craftsman when it come on to war. Why Vybz Kartel never sent to Popcorn? Because Alkaline addressed Popcorn already and freed him up. Why Vybz Kartel never sent to Tommy Lee? Alkaline addressed Tommy Lee already and freed him up. Why Vybz Kartel never draw for Masicka? Because Masicka caution himself when he come on to Alkaline long time. And Vybz Kartel say Masicka now go run out brawling pan Alkaline. Because Masicka protect him career too. So now, me go ask again, Skillibeng, you sure you want go in a war with Alkaline? Are you Vybz Kartel picking up Skillibeng? Skillibeng, are you Vybz Kartel nominating? Are you sure, Skillibeng, that this is the right move? You want to go to war with Alkaline? Alkaline is an all-rounder, like Vybz Kartel, musically. You know, matter how people want to deny it. Alkaline is an all-rounder like Vybz Kartel. And when it come on to war mood, Skillibeng, Alkaline full of craft. So Skillibeng, this can be the break of your career, you know, Skillibeng still, you know. But if you feel like you're ready, Kartel obviously feel like you're ready, Skillibeng. But if you feel say a man ready, and when him go up on the battlefield, him actually ready are two different things. So Skillibeng, me not advise if you jump in a war with Alkaline. Think carefully, Skillibeng, and think if you really and truly want to start a war with Alkaline. Me just ask.
Now, the fact of this thing is that, remember Vybz Kartel at one point mentioned that him and Skillibeng are the king and prince of dancehall. And they also had a song that they referred to themselves being the king and the prince of dancehall. So, me no know what is in what, something as it pertains to Masicka and Vybz Kartel and Skillibeng. But apparently, they don't acknowledge Masicka as being no prince or runner up or whatever. So I don't know why I go on this, but as me as viewers and subscribers, the song that Vybz Kartel has been previewing, mentioning key in it. A lot of people are speculating say it's aiming at Masicka. No, it's aiming at Alkaline because Alkaline has key man. But we have Masicka in another clipping. Him a walk in a Tivoli, but this is not the clipping, official clipping with him walking in Tivoli, but this is a clipping with him in a preview song mentioning something in it. You know, it sound like this song or it sound like an average regular Masicka song, but because the flow sound old to me, the flow sound like the same flow what Masicka has been using for the past year or two. So me have to play the song for you. I want to tell more what you think about it with Masicka previewing it. Alright, listen to that song, viewers and subscribers. Cause I don't know, you know, man. Something, you know. Watch out. So he's saying, corn in the pan like soupy, parrot attack tough. Parrot attack tough back a group, something like that. It stopped right there, but me not get really officially what him say. But him say, corn in the pot like soupy. Those are average lyrics. That's just simile lyrics. But he's saying corn in the pot like soupy, right? Parrot attack tough in a must group here, some stuff like that. Me not get what him say. But we are waiting to see what is the next move. And as I was saying on my previous vlog, this is a chess move in dancehall. The chess move with Alkaline make, we are waiting to see what's the next move for all the other opponent on the board, on the chessboard. You know, me I make a metaphorical comparison. So the next move is for the artists them to do whatever or make whatever step them have to make, but we are yet to see it, and a lot of people are give timing. A lot of people giving timing to say, yo, we are giving this amount of time to put out a song because Alkaline list up the whole industry. Ray Alkaline make him statement and address everything in him song. And man make sure tell us say afraid of him, me them afraid of Ray, why wait for turn, why wait pan fallout for turn ups. And even Mavado is in the conversation also because people are saying that Alkaline is dissing Mavado in him song or sending shots at Mavado, saying that Mavado did a wait pan fallout for turn on ups, why him never turn on ups other than wait pan fallout. And they're also saying that that same reference can be opposed to Alkaline, to Masicka also, saying that Masicka are wait pan fallout with Vybz Kartel. Why him not just turn ups? I don't know how that really connected, but it can slightly show some sort of connection, because Vybz Kartel literally in this video saying that him and Skillibeng are run the place, not acknowledging Masicka, saying that Masicka at or anything. And remember, there's other songs with him and Skillibeng saying that him and Skillibeng are the king and the prince of dancehall. So me no know what I go on this. But as I said, viewers and subscribers, a lot of things are going on in media. But we saw where Masicka is in another clippings. I don't know if he's deflecting the whole clash conversation or he might use strategy and style. So me have him in our next clip as make a challenge. He's doing some sort of challenge to his Rich Sex song. He's saying that his song Rich Sex, the success of Rich Sex, him do a challenge with the ladies for post up the video. So me I go play it for you. And him said, any ladies have the best video or get the most likes on a video, get 5,000 US. So you guys let me know what you think about this. Is he deflecting the conversation of clash, or is he I don't know. Watch this.
Go on, ladies. With the recent success of Rich Sex, me have 5,000 USD for a lucky female. Simple thing. All you have to do, make a video of how you would look going on a Rich Sex date. The competition lasts for 10 days. You know what I mean? Hashtag Rich Sex, tag me or tag Russia. You know what I mean? After the 10 days, the fans them choose the winner. We sell you the 5,000 or wire it. You know what I mean? Rich and we said.
So it's clear, Masicka in a studio. He's in the studio, but we are yet to see if he's going to drop some sort of shades like he used to do. Like he always does, drop shades in a song. And you know, it's a natural thing for dancehall artists to drop shades, drop them look word in a song. Because as I said, dancehall is a gladiator sport, it's a competitive sport, and artists are always drop shades. So that is that. But as I said, viewers and subscribers, me don't know what I'm going on. Only tell me one thing. Vybz Kartel preview song, Masicka preview song. It sounds like Skillibeng is on the feature, on the remix with Vybz Kartel, or added on to the song with Vybz Kartel. I don't know. But as I said, viewers and subscribers, the art of war is a strategic type of thing. You have to know every move where you make. You have to calculate every move where you make. So the artists them now go just run out like them now in a sense. We know that. But you have some will do it, but some won't do it. But as I said, you have to know how to make the next step. Why I want to think nobody not drop no song yet? Because Alkaline, Keyman made a statement and it created a shockwave in the whole space of dancehall. A lot of people are run up in the artists them comment section. I tell them say, yo, no here Alkaline address the whole industry and this, you know. Him say him better than the whole, you know. Him say afraid of him, you not address him. And that is what I say, viewers and subscribers. The artists them are calculate every move where them make. A style and pattern, you know, and have to study. You have to study the game. For years me I study dancehall and how the artists them operate. Even Vybz Kartel, I can predict most of Vybz Kartel's move, because every time Alkaline puts out a song or puts out like the interview with Cliff Hughes when Alkaline has stated that isn't Vybz Kartel in prison, and Vybz Kartel came out and said that, oh, remember say every 4 months them get showing out. That's what I said. They're not going to call the artist name. Them just have to show them look at jobs, show them look at shades here and there, and then if you pick it up, or if you can put 2 and 2 together, you go get say other artists that them attack or another artist that them attack. But we're yet to see the clash, and a lot of people want to see the clash, but guess know who them want to see the clash with already, Alkaline and Masicka. But Vybz Kartel, let me say this. I don't think Vybz Kartel would want to see a clash right now in a dancehall, because the shockwave and the impact where a clash are going to cause right now between Alkaline and the Masicka, it's going to be a turnover for every artist. A lot of artists are going to get shut out. A lot of artists now going to get the highlight where them need to get. Whether they might put out songs, album, whatever it may be. So a lot of artists now going to get the real. And Vybz Kartel attention is going to always be there. But the more impact and the more highlight where a clash are going to get between Masicka and Alkaline, Vybz Kartel would be left out on the sideline watching, doing his own thing, but still the impact with a clash they are going. Remember, you know, Gully and Gaza clash, you know. Even though the artists them in a dancehall did still do them thing, the impact and the highlight was always on the clash with both artists. Even I did want a peace side with Vybz Kartel, but him never get it because the clash are going between Mavado and Kartel. But as myself, viewers and subscribers, if a clash for go on between Masicka and Alkaline, It a cause a whole havoc in a dancehall. We know that. But Masicka, to me, it seems like him a avoid the whole conversation of clash. It seems like him a dodge everything or him a try deflect everything with every little thing him can do. Because the fact that he's in a studio promoting Rich Sex, saying that he's doing a challenge after the whole conversation and media spark in between Keyman, we know. But as myself, viewers and subscribers, the artists them are go to war or them go to war, and you have to use strategy. You have to know every move where you make. You have to calculate every strategy where you move. So as myself, viewers and subscribers, share your thoughts in the comment section. Make me know anything as we say about this whole clash thing and this whole song Keyman where I stir up the place and have the artists them in a shambles. I wonder when them for put out them next song, because if them put out them next song, people are gonna speculate, say, oh, are this artist there, or a share the artist there, or you a coward, why you not answer Alkaline, or this and that. As I say, Alkaline put him life, put him career upon the line. They out there upon the war field, they out there upon the battlefield. I wait ready and I wait for see who I go push out. But as I say, the artists them know what them do. Style and pattern, strategy. Strategically them have to know what them do. But as I say, make me know anything, viewers and subscribers. You know it go already, man. A Vybz and Inside with Nando with another episode. A mad thing. I'm out. Peace.